What's up, people? We're back. It's a new year. I figure I start the year off right with a nice little review here. Just got my new grill. I had to talk about this grill because it's my favorite grill. It's the best grill. They don't make a better portable grill than this on the market right now. I've tried them all out. I've tried at least 4 or 5 different ones and settled on this one. This is actually the second time I've gotten this grill though, which I know what you're saying. That doesn't sound awesome, but that's when we get into the protection plan. Now, when Lowe's or Home Depot offers you that protection plan, even Amazon offers the protection plan on these things. But it's crazy. You'd be crazy not to buy the grill protection plan. These things usually go bad. So I always buy the 3-year protection plan. It's usually like 20 to 30 bucks. That's what this is. This was covered by the protection plan. Whatever. Anyway, this grill is definitely my favorite grill. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then I'm going to show you how it cooks. So, yeah, this is a good video here. Yeah, pretty straightforward grill. It comes pretty much assembled straight out of the box. I'm going to pull it straight out. A little protective foam. Yeah, but if you keep these grills covered, and just buy that warranty. Char-Broil makes the best grill, in my opinion. I mean, I love this thing so much, I needed a second one. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty standard. It comes more built than most of these grills do. There's nothing else in the box. Everything you need is right here already. I would doubt we need much tools, if any. The difference in this grill compared to the Char-Broil, like the cheaper one, the $99 one, which if you still run into that one, it's shocking that that one's even on the market still. But if you could see here, that's the inside of the grill. The igniter is on top of the gas, where it kind of should be, you know? Because gas, when it's coming out of the valve, it flows upward. That's just how it goes, gravity-wise. And you need to have that igniter on top. Most of those other Char-Broil grills, the igniter's on the bottom, which makes it kind of a dangerous situation. You kind of need your own kind of igniter to kind of get it going. That's why I just took that one back. But yeah, this grill is just beautiful. It's cool seeing this grill like brand new, because like I'll show you a video of my other one. It's like, it's cooked. They let me keep it, but I mean, like, that thing, it's not usable anymore. I'm gonna throw it out this weekend. But yeah, everything looks pretty good on this thing. But yeah, let me show you how to get it going. So first things first, you're gonna take this thing out, you know, little flame protector. Put that right on there. Ready? Step 2. I'm gonna slide this little drip tray right underneath. Nice big drip tray. You rarely get drips in there, so that's kind of nice. I forgot this was this color. But yeah, nice grill. So this thing here, what it does is it's just like, it just makes sure it's evenly heats. I mean, I cook a nice thick filet mignon steak in about, it's like 8 to 10 minutes on this thing, because the temperatures get up to around 500 degrees on this thing. And that's like on a windy day. Which granted, that is the reason why I had to, like, you know, the warranty was up on my other one. The other grill seemed to, the burner seemed to have burned out. Which I don't know why they didn't just replace it, but hey, they were like, hey, we'll just give you a new grill. This is the little tool that comes with it. It's perfect. It gets in those grooves. And then if things get deep in there, I like to drag this along the edge. So it's nice. It just stores right there too. Little hook on the side. Just, you know, tighten that little temperature gauge up top here. Make sure it's facing you. And just like that, you're ready to grill. Now, personally, I like to fire the grill up, let it run for a little bit, maybe give it 10 minutes, burn all the like factory nonsense off and whatnot. The regulators on these things aren't the best. I have my own regulator that I'm going to use for this, but yep. Fits in there nice and snug. This grill is ready to go. You're going to see me grilling in about a second here. All right, as you can see, we got the we got the grill out here on the deck. I usually sometimes put it on the table, but sometimes when it gets a little windy, you never know. I like it. I just like how hot this grill gets. Some people get afraid of a high temperature grill, but I mean, I tell you what, that's how you cook a perfect steak. Stay tuned, I'm gonna throw a steak on. But yeah, since it's a little colder, some snow on the ground, I like to go for a 10-minute steak here. 5 minutes each side. You know, you go to about 2 minutes left. You give it that quarter turn, give it that perfect diamond. Yeah, see, I don't even want to open it right now to show you what I'm working with because, you know, we got time left and I don't want to interrupt, you know, the perfection that's going on in this grill right now. All right, about 2 minutes in, you can see we gave it that quarter turn. About another 5 minutes for this steak. Look at this. This grill's almost at 700 degrees pretty much. A little smoke, and I gave it a little butter glaze finish there. Woo. Char-Broil grill, man. Let's take a look. There's the drip pan. Not much down there. It's not even that hot either, you know? Yeah, there you have it. A little crusty. That's how you like it though, you know? Nice and blackened. This thing is gonna be awesome. Now you gotta not be a loser and give it 10 minutes to just chill and hang out. All right, I let that steak sit for 10 minutes. As you can see, we got a little bit of drippage on the plate there. Not my best knife either, but honestly, this is probably a little bit more well done than I like it. Terrible cut by me. Yeah, a little medium in there, but you know, we like it. I like it medium. Solid cut after 10 minutes though. Just nice color. Char-Broil grill though. That's the top tier grill. Wow, that's a good steak. A lot of flavor. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.